students, welcome back to Dhimansh's class. Are you all fine? Must be staying at home, not going out of your houses. Throughout the world, lockdown is going on. Whole world, all the countries are having lockdown. So be careful, stay at home. If you go out, who will catch you? Yes, COVID-19, coronavirus. Stay safe. And for your academic career, we are here. For your studies, we are here. All the teachers are trying our level best to reach up to you through these videos. So you continue your studies at home only, safely. Okay? So today our topic to be discussed is nothing other than solution of equations in algebra. Okay? You're in class 7 now. So now you must be learning about solving equations with one variables in algebra. Okay? Simple equations will be there and we will have to solve them. So before I start, I would recommend not to skip the video. You must watch the video from the beginning to the end because many examples I will be solving for you. If you skip the different examples I will be solving for you are each different from each other. They are unique. Okay? So you must be very careful and you must watch all the examples. Okay? Then you must share these videos to your friends also. Let the friends also learn about this part of mathematics, algebra. Okay? And please press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload my next video, you will get quicker than others. And please don't forget to press the subscribe button. So let us start about equations, simple equations. Now see, what do we mean by equations? Now equation means something related to equal to sign, isn't it? So equal to sign means here it will be an algebraic expression or mathematical expression having two sides. One is called as left hand side, the other one is called as the right hand side. Two sides will be there, students. Now here in these two sides, obviously both the sides would be equal to each other, and that is why there is equal to sign in between them. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Okay. So for example, I hope you must have gone to a grocery shop with your parents. There you must have seen your parents are ordering for a certain quantity of, suppose, rice. Bhaiya 1 kilo chawal dena. So the person having a spring balance means measuring balance. Nowadays, of course, digital balances are there, but some shops you still may find these types of balances that they are using. These types of balances, some shops are using. Now suppose they are keeping the weights here. One side they are keeping the weights and the other side they are keeping the thing which you are buying. Suppose the rice. So he will keep on pouring into it until this line, this is balanced. Means this and this are in balance. Okay? And he may take out also some. If suppose he finds that this weight is down and this is up, then in that case he will take out. And suppose if he finds that this is up and this is down, he will pour into it. So this phenomenon will continue till both the sides are equal. Same thing we have to do here. Something we have to do in algebra through this left hand side and right hand side so that both are equal. Suppose, for example, very simple one I will take you. We know 7 is equal to, can it be 8 or can it be 6? No, 7 is equal to 7, of course. Now if I say 3 plus how much is equal to 7? Of course you will say, sir, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Simple. So instead of keeping it empty, if I write X or any alphabet means that symbolizes the thing which is not known to us is denoted by an alphabet, because alphabet is not a number and mathematics deals with number. So therefore we have to find out the number. So initially we don't know the number, so we are denoting it as an alphabet, and finally when we get the value we forget this alphabet and the answer becomes our figure to be kept in mind, which is required by us. What is required? The 3 plus how much? How much is X? Let us assume that how much is as X, and we get the value of X as 4. Now how to do this? See, this part is left hand side and is equal to this part is our right hand side. Anyhow, we have to equalize this. So in equalizing, what we will do? 3 plus how much? 3 plus 4 is 7. Very simple. But as per rules, what happens? Let X, what is our target? Our target is to find out the value of X. So let X be alone. This is called as variable. This is called as variable. Means which may have any value. X is not a number. It may be negative number, it may be 0, it may be a rational number, it may be infinite, anything, it may be anything. Any number. We don't know what is this. So in that case, this is called as, therefore, it is called as variable, which may vary. Okay, the moment we will get the figure, get the number, we will not call it as a variable, because now when we are getting it as 4, that means the value of X becomes 4, it is no more a variable. Because 4 is having a specific value. Isn't it? A unique value. 4 is only one on earth. There is no other 4 on earth. Rather in universe, 4 is 4. 4 cannot be 5, 4 cannot be 3. 4 is 4. So that is not a variable. But X we do not know. It is an alphabet. It's not a number. So therefore, and X is not also used in mathematics. We are using it for using it as a symbol of any number. Symbol of any number. So therefore, that symbol may be anything. That is why it is variable. I hope I am clear. So X variable. Now, as per the rules of solving equation, the variable should be kept alone in left hand side. Then in that case, this 3 has to be removed from this side to that side. So is equal to 7 was here. 7 is not to be disturbed. Let 7 be there as usual. Now 3 from this side to that side it goes. So when the sides are changed, when plus sign goes from one side to the other side, it becomes minus. And vice versa. If minus also it goes from this side to that side, it becomes plus. Same, if minus goes from this side to that side, it becomes plus. Means as we have done here, if minus is brought from here, or let it be like this. If plus goes that side, becomes minus. If minus goes that side, becomes plus. Ulta, if minus goes this side, becomes plus. If plus goes this side, it becomes minus. And if multiply goes this side, it becomes divide. And if divide goes that side, it becomes multiply. And same ulta. Or you can also say if numerator goes this side, it becomes denominator. And if denominator goes this side, it becomes numerator. And ulta, vice versa. So it would help you, I would recommend you to note it down. So now X is equal to 7. Now 3 has to go that side. So 3 is going that side. What sign does 3 have now? Plus 3. 3's own sign is plus. As because there is no sign. There is no sign for a number, it is assumed that the sign is plus. So plus goes that side. So plus goes that side, becomes minus 3. So or X is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. You can put or even some of you can put this symbol also. It implies that. Or whatever you like. Okay? So this is the way how we should do. And this one also is very important. Please students note it down. Pause the video, note it down. Now students, see example 1. Solve. We are going to solve. Solve means we are going to find the value of that variable, something which will be unknown to us. So first one, suppose 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Now here, our target is to find the value of x. So first of all, we have to first we have to see in which term this x is. In this term. So in this term 3 is multiplied by x. So or let 3x remain alone and minus 5 go that side. So minus goes that side means plus 5. I am not putting the sign plus. No sign means plus. Or now we are not supposed to find the value of 3x. We are supposed to find the value of only x. So let x remain. So 3 is multiplied here, or 3 is the numerator here. So when it goes 5 remains this side only, so remains unchanged. So 3 was numerator, so it will become denominator. Or 3 was multiplied, 3 is divided. I gave it that side of the board. So is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2 by 5. Many schools made out, okay, let it be the answer. Many schools may tell, no, you have to, as because it is an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, this is the answer. Now, example 2. Suppose example 2 is 6, 3x plus 2, 6, 3x plus 2, minus 5, 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 8 minus 5, 7x minus 6 plus 9x. So 6, 3x plus 2 minus 5, 6x minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 3x minus 8 minus 5, 7x minus 6 plus 9x. Okay. So or. Now, first, according to the Bodmas rule, what we have to do? We have to open the first bracket. So 6 into 3x, 6 into 2, 5 into 6x, 5 into 2. These lines I am giving for you to understand. You are not supposed to give these lines. 3 into x, 3 into 8, 5 into 7x, 5 into 6. So 6 3s are 18x plus 6 2s are 12. Now minus into plus minus 5 6s are 30x. Minus into minus plus 5 1s are 5. Don't forget this application of minus signs outside the bracket is equal to plus into plus plus 3 into x 3x plus into minus minus 3 is 24. Minus into plus plus minus into plus minus 5 7s are 35x minus into minus plus 5 6 are 30 plus 9x as it is. Okay, or let us bring together the like terms. 18x minus 30x plus 5 plus 12. See, plus 5 plus 12 together, like terms. 18x minus 30x together. Now 3x minus 3x minus 35x plus 9x. Let the plus signs be written first. 3x plus 9x minus 35x plus 30 minus 24. So or plus minus minus 30 minus 18 is 12. 2 plus 8 10, carry 1 2 plus 1 3. 30 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus 12x. 5 plus 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 12 plus 5 17. 12 is bigger, its sign is plus, so plus is equal to 3x plus 9x 12x. 12x minus 35x, that is plus minus minus 3x plus 9x is plus 12x plus minus minus. So 35 minus 12, that is 23x. 35 is greater, its sign is minus, so it will be minus. then plus minus, love it, plus minus minus, 30 minus 24, 6. 30 is bigger, its sign is plus, plus. Now, this side also x, this side also x. As I told, try to keep the x or the variables in the left hand side. So, minus 23, when it goes that side, it becomes plus. Yes or no? Yes. 23x. Minus 12 is remaining this side only, so it remains unchanged. Minus 12x. And this 17 goes that side because it is disturbing x. As I told, left hand side only the variable. So, is equal to 6 remains this side, no change. Plus 17 goes that side, minus 17. So, 23 minus 12 is 11. Yes, plus minus minus 23 minus 12, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, x. 23 is bigger, its sign is plus, so plus is equal to plus minus minus. Okay, so 17 minus 6 is 11, 17 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus. Or now this x's value has to be found. So let the x be alone in left hand side. So x is equal to minus 11. This was 1 here, numerator becomes denominator. Or it was multiplied by x, now it is divided. So equals to minus 1. Okay, students. Now example 3. Example 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 10. 5x minus 12. Okay. So, there is nothing to do here. These are all unlike terms. So, 2x minus 3. Now, this 3 by 10 has to be multiplied by 12. So, 3 by 10 plus 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 3 by 10 into 5x plus minus minus 3 by 10 into 12. No need of giving minus in front of 12. Why? Because minus into plus is minus already given. So, or 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 2s are 10. So, 3 by 2 x minus 3 12s are 30. Let it be 2 6 are 2 5s are 3 6 are 18 by 5. Okay. Or let this x come this side. 2x is remaining as it is. Why? Because it is in the left hand side and remaining in the left hand side, so no change. Then plus 2 by 3x becomes minus 3 by 2x is equal to minus 3 goes that side because plus 3 minus 18 by 5. Or there is nothing under, the denominator 1, no denominator 1. So LCM 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4x minus 3x is equal to 5, 1 5 is a 5 is a 15 minus 18, or no place, that is what I am doing in the right hand side. 4x minus 3x is only x by 2 is equal to minus 3. Why? Plus minus minus 18 minus 5, 3. 18 bigger, its sign is minus, so minus 3 by 5. Now 2 is the denominator, so goes that side, becomes the numerator. X is equal to minus 3 by 5 into 2 is equal to minus 6 by 5 is equal to minus 1 and 1 by 5. Okay, students. Next example 4. Zero 0.5x plus x by 3 is equal to 0.25x plus 7. Okay. Now, this contains x, this contains x, this also contains x, but this is in the right hand side, and there is only a single term which is be left in the right hand side. Now, let this come this side. Or 0.5x plus x by 3. There is no denominator, let it be 1. Then this be minus 0.25x is equal to 7. So do one thing. Instead of doing this, first 0.5 minus 0.25 or
it becomes 0.25x plus x by 3. 50 paisa minus 25 paisa, we get 25 paisa, isn't it? 0.5 means 0.50, means 50 minus 25 is 25, and 0.50 by 0.50 minus 0.25 is 0.25 is equal to 7. Or now let the denominator be 1, 3, 1 3s are 3, 3.75 plus 3 1 are 3, 3.75x plus 3 1 only x is equal to 7. Or 1.75x by 3 is equal to 7. Or let x remain alone. X is equal to 7 into 3 by 1.75. Numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator when the sides are changed. Or x is equal to 21 by 1.75. You can go for the rough. Is equal to 2100 by 175. Because when the decimal is there in the denominator, we cannot divide. So therefore, we multiply it by 100, and whatever you multiply the 0 by 175, rough. You can do the cancellation first. 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. See here, no need of doing rough. 7 12s are 84, or x is equal to 12. So, example 5. Now, example 5 is 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 4 is equal to 3. Now here, let this go that side. This denominator go that side. There is a reason. So 2x plus 5 is equal to, if this denominator goes that side, it becomes numerator. Means it was divided, it becomes multiplied, 3x plus 4. Or 2x plus 5 is equal to this 3 into 3x, 3 into 4. You will not get this line. I am giving this for you to understand, and for explaining I am doing this. 3 3s are 9x, plus into plus plus 9x, plus into plus plus 3 4s are 12. Or 2x, let this 9x now come this side, plus 9x becomes minus 9x is equal to 12 remains as it is. Why? Because it was in the RHS, it is remaining as it is, it is remaining in the RHS. But this plus 5 goes that side, so it becomes minus 5. Or plus into minus, minus 7 minus 2 is 9 minus 2 is 7x. 9 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus is equal to 12 minus 5 is 7. Plus minus minus. 12 minus 5 is 7. 12 is bigger, its sign is plus, so plus. Or let x be alone now, is equal to 7 by minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Answer. Okay, students, pause the video, copy it down. Okay, students, now we are going to start problem sums on the basis of the simple equations with single variable. Okay, means we'll be given a problem, and in that problem some value of something has to be will be unknown in the question, and that unknown thing we have to find out. So before we start the sum, each and every sum, we will write down, let that unknown thing be x. Means we are assuming beforehand that the unknown thing which is to be found in the question, we are assuming it as x. So we have to mention it in the question. Otherwise, suppose you are writing x, the examiner may say, no, I want it y. I was thinking it as y. I was thinking it as b. I was thinking it as q. Okay, so you have to write down on the top that I am assuming, means let the unknown thing be x or y or z, whatever you like. Okay, so example 1, 4 added to twice a number, 4 added to twice a number yields 26 by 5. Yields 26 by 5. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Okay. Now, see, 4 added to twice a number yields 26 by 5. Okay. So let the number be x. Therefore, ATP means what I mean to say according to problem. Okay. ATP 4 added to twice a number. So the number is x. Twice the number. And 4 is added to that. Yields means gives or equal to 26 by 5. So with the help of this problem, we framed out the equation, and that equation carries a variable, and we have to find. We have assumed that variable as the number which is asked in the question, and the value of that variable only is intended to find out. So let 4 go that side, or 2x is equal to 26 by 5 minus 4 plus 4 becomes minus 4. So is equal to 4 1, so 5, 26 minus 1 4 is 1 5 is 5, 5 4 is 20 is equal to 6 by 5. Or this x will remain alone, so x is equal to 6 by 5 as it is there, and 2 becomes denominator. It was numerator or it was multiplied, now it becomes divided by this one. Division, it becomes division. 6 divided by 2. Or it was a numerator, it becomes a denominator. Either of the way you can remember. So 2, 3 is 6 is equal to 3 by 5. It is the answer. Clear, students? The answer, find the fraction. The fraction is 3 by 5. Okay. Now example 2. A number is as much greater than 21. A number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. As it is less than 71. Now see, a number, let 71, and then find the number. Find the number. Means the number we have to assume as x. Let the number be x. Therefore, ATP. Now see, a number means that the x is as much greater. Forget about as much. Is greater than 21. So x is greater. So x is greater than 21. So 21 is less. So x minus 21. So how much greater? X is as much greater, means how much greater? That in order to find that we will subtract 21 from x. X minus 21. How much? A number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. That means the x is less than 71. When 71 is bigger, x is smaller. So is equal to, is as much as, that means equal to 71 minus x. Clear, students? So, or this minus x comes this side, x plus x. 71 remains as it is. Why? Because it is in the RHS and it is remaining in the RHS. So it's there's no change in 71, but this 21 minus 21 goes that side because plus 21. So or 2x is equal to 92, or x equals to 2 becomes denominator. It was numerator in the LHS, now it becomes 92 by 2. 4s are 8, 6 are 8 is equal to 46. Now this is the answer. Now if you want to check, see 46 minus 21 is equal to how much? 5, 22. Similarly, 71 minus 46 is equal to how much? 6 plus 5, 11, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 25. So, a number is as much greater than 21 as it is less than 71. So, that number is 46. How we got? Sure. Okay. Now, students, number 3, example number 3. Find two consecutive positive odd integers whose sum is 76. Now students, see, here there are two terms which we have to understand. One is consecutive and the other one is odd. These are the points to be kept in mind before we start doing the sum. Okay, now what do we mean by consecutive here? Consecutive means one number just after the other. Suppose 7, 8. Okay, 7 and 8. Suppose 19, 20. 19 and after 19, 20. 116, 117. So 116, just after that 117. These are the consecutive numbers. Two numbers, they are consecutive to each other. So this is the meaning of consecutive. But there's a point here. And the point is, both the consecutive numbers should be odd. So here what happens, we have to keep in mind 7, 8. No, not 8. 8 is an even number. So just after 7, the number should be 9. Clear? 17, 18. No, 19. 126 will not be the number because 126 is an even number. We are asked odd number. Suppose 125 and 127. Suppose 1255. So 1257. No even number, odd number. So let us assume, suppose 7, 9. In that case 7 plus 2. Clear? Suppose 11, 13. That is 11. 11 plus 2. Sir, 1055. 1057. That means 1055. 1055 plus 2. So similarly, x, if it is x, the first one is x, the second one will be x plus 2. Okay, so let the consecutive, spelling is not Q, C, consecutive positive odd integers b, x and x plus 2. Therefore, ATP, according to problem, x plus x plus 2 equals to 76. Their sum, whose sum is 76. So this is one odd number and this is the other consecutive odd number, the odd number just after this. So, or x plus x, 2x is equal to 76 remain in the same side, no change, but 2 goes from this side to this side, 2. Or 2x is equal to 74, or x is equal to 8. 2 is numerator here, it becomes a denominator here. 2, 3 are 6, 2, 7 are 14. Okay, and they are asking, sum is 76. Find two consecutive numbers. So many of you may commit a common mistake. Many students say it is the answer. No, this is not. It is incomplete. What are we asked? Find two consecutive positive odd numbers. So first odd number is equal to 37, and the second odd number is equal to 37 plus 2, x plus, let it be x is equal to 37. Value of x is 37. and then x plus 2 to 37 plus 2 we have to 39. Both are done. Okay, students? Now, students, see. Find three consecutive, example 4. Find three consecutive even, positive even integers whose sum is 90. So here, three consecutive you already know. Now, three consecutive, previously it was 2, now it is 3. A group of 3, it was group of 2, it is group of 3. Now, consecutive even integers. Now, even, this point is new here. As it was odd, now it is even. Now, we have to make it sure that the numbers, whatever we are assuming, must be even. How can we ensure it? By multiplying a number by 2. Yes, suppose any number, even if an odd number is multiplied by 2, it becomes even. So, odd into 2 is even. Even into 2 is also even. See 2's table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Any odd number can you find in 2's table? No, all are even numbers. Even numbers. Suppose 6, 8 and 10. Now here 6 and then 6 plus 2 and then 6 plus 4. Isn't it? So if it is 18, 20, 22, that means 18 plus 2 and 18 plus 4, isn't it? So, if it is 2x, then 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4, clear? Same way. So, let the consecutive positive integers, 3 consecutive, let the 3 consecutive positive integers be 2x, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 4. Okay. Therefore, 18. Their sum is 90. So, 2x plus 2x plus 2 plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 90. 2x plus 2x plus 2x, 6x plus 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 90. Let 6x remain as it is and plus 6 go that side is equal to 90 minus 6, or 6x is equal to 84. Yes or no? 90 minus 6, 84. 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Or x is equal to 84. 6 was numerator in the left hand side, it becomes denominator in the right hand side. 6 1 is 6, 4 is 24. Answer? No. Why? Because find 3 consecutive positive even integers we are asked to find. So therefore, first even integer is equal to x is equal to 40. Sorry, not x. 2x. 2x is x is 14, so 2 into 14 is equal to 28. Second even integer is equal to 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 into 14 plus 2 is equal to 30. And third even integer is equal to 2x plus 4 is equal to 2 into 14 plus 4 is equal to 28 plus 4, 32. Now students, by sitting in the examination hall only, after doing this up, we can find out whether we have done it right or not. How you know? Just add up and you will get 90. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, 4, 7, 9. Have a fantastic sir, we have done correctly. It is 90. Students got it? Now as because no space, please pause the video, copy it down, I'll rub the board and we'll go for the next example. Okay students, see next example number 5. A father is 30 years older than his son. In 12 years, let me write down it properly. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. At present, what is their age? Forget about 12 years after. What is their present age? Now, see, such types of sums on ages, whenever it comes, I would recommend you a specific method. And this method, if you apply in all types of such sums, I think it will be helpful to you. So let this be father and the son, like this. In this is a part. Okay. A father is 30 years older than his son. How much is son? We don't know. So let the son's age be this. And father is 30 years older. Means whatever the son's age is, plus 30 will be the father. Simple. In 12 years, means after 12 years. Of course, after 12 years the age increases. Only father's age will increase. Son's age will not increase. Of course, son's age also will increase. 12 years gone. Both are going 12 years older. So, in 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. So, when they will reach after, when they will reach a specific age after 12 years, it will be seen that the father's age is, suppose 30 years, son's age is in that case 10 years. Means, whatever the age the son will have, father's age will be 3 times. Got it? But because we have to find the value of x, means their present age, son's age and father's present age, we have to equalize them. So when we equalize, 10 cannot be equal to 30. So how to do? Either you divide father's age by 3, it will become 10 is equal to 10, or you multiply son's age by 3. Because they are telling 3 times, so multiply it by 3. Father is 3 times as old as his son. Equalize this, then only you can solve. So equalizing means make both the sides equal. So in order to make it equal, multiply the sign because son's age, because they are telling in 12 years the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Man will become 3 times as old as his son. So equalize the age of father and son. Though it is not possible, but for the sake of the arithmetic or mathematics, we are going to do this, equalizing and then find out the benefits. Okay? So, in that case, son's age is multiplied. Then only it becomes equal. Clear, students? Now, how to do it in the sum? Let the son's present age be x and father's present age be x plus 30. Therefore, according to problem, x plus 30 plus 12 is equal to 3 into x plus 12. The same thing you will copy it down. Okay? Or x plus 30 plus 12 is 42 is equal to 3 into x, 3 into 12, 3x plus 3 12 is 36, plus. Or this is x. Let this 3x come this side, minus 3 plus 3x it is now minus 3x, it is coming from that side to this side. And is equal to 36 remains this side only, so no change. But 42 goes that side, minus 42. Or plus minus minus 3 minus 1, there is nothing means 1. 3 minus 1 is 2x. 3 is greater, sign is minus, so minus is equal to plus minus minus, isn't it? So 42 minus 36 is 6. 42 is minus, so minus. 42 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus. Or we have to find x. Minus 2 was the numerator. Let x is equal to minus 6 by minus 2. Becomes the denominator in that side. Minus minus 2, 3. That is 3. Answer. No, again the common mistake. What are we asked to find? Find their present age. X is son's present age. But where is father's present age? Write down specifically. Therefore, son's present age is equal to 3 years. Father's present age is equal to 3 plus 30 is equal to 33 years. Both are part of the answer. Now, here also you can check it out. How? The first is whatever the son's age is, father is 30 years older. Here we are getting it. Or you add up. Son is 3 years plus father's age is 30 plus 12. How much is 30, 33, 43, 45? And son's age 3 into 3 plus 12. That means 3. 3 means this x. X value is 3. So x 3 plus 12, 15 into 15 is equal to 45. Both the signs are equal. Clear? Now students, see, example 6. A number consists of 2 digits. Okay, suppose from 10 to 99, it may be anything. 10 is a number that contains 2 digits. Up to 99 is the last number or the greatest number that contains 2 digits. So our number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 8. So the numbers should be either 17, 7, by 1 plus 7 is 8, or 26, 2 plus 6 is 8, or 35, that is 3 plus 5, 8, 44, 4 plus 4 is 8, or 53, or 62, or 71. Sir, can't it be 0? It may be 0, but it cannot be 08. It may be 0. 8 0. Because 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, students? So out of all these options, any one of these will be the answer. But we have to find out of these how we will get the answer. Before we do this, suppose, let us assume 35 is the answer. I don't know, I'm just assuming 35 is the answer. Now, 35, how shall we read 35? 35, isn't it? We are reading it. But how can we ensure that this is 35, 35, 35? How can we ensure? We are reading it as 35. Means, how can we ensure that this is 35 itself? By adding it. 30 plus 5 is 35. Yes or no? So, now, this is the units place, and this is the tens place. So, that means 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1 is equal to 35. If 35 is reversed, it becomes 53. These are the terms which are used in the question that I am explaining you first. So, when a 2-digit number is formed, if the units place is x, so that means it will be x plus 1, x into 1, and the tens digit will be how much? 8 minus x into 10. Why, sir? Because some of these 2 digits must be 8, they have told. So if one is 3, the other one is 5. How? 8 minus 3 is 5. So 8 minus 6. If one is x, the other one is 8 minus 6. If one is, if the number is 26, if one is 6, the other one is 2. How? 8 minus 2. If the number is 71, if one is 1, if one number is 1, the other number is 8 minus 1, 7. So if one number is x, the other will be 8 minus x into 10. Then you will add up. Okay. Then the number is formed. Okay. So let the digit in ones place be x and that of tens place be 8 minus x. Okay. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 8. So, what is the number? Ones place is x into 1 added 10 into 8 minus x. This is the tens place, 8 minus x, 10 into 8 minus x, plus ones place, x into 1. Now, if 18 is added to the number, therefore ATP, according to the problem we are doing, if 18 is added to the number, its digits are reversed. Means, what happens to it? The ones place becomes tens place and tens place becomes one place. Means 8 minus x becomes ones place and x becomes tens place. Okay. Now, 10 8s are 80 minus 10x plus x1s are x plus 18 is equal to 10x plus 8 minus x, or minus 10x plus x. This 10x also becomes this side minus 10x. This x comes this side plus x. Minus x becomes plus x. Is equal to 8 remains this side only, no change. 8 plus 80 becomes minus 80. And plus 18 also becomes minus 18. Okay. Or minus 20x and plus 2x is equal to, let the first minus be outside and inside the bracket all minus signs become plus. So 8 minus 80 plus 18 is 98. So now, or minus plus minus, 20 minus 2 is 18. My 20 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus x is equal to 98 minus 8 is 90 plus minus minus, so 98 minus 8 is 90. 98 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus. Or x is equal to minus 90. 18 was numerator here, minus 18, so it becomes minus 18. Denominator this side. 85. So is equal to 5. Now students, sir, we understood it is not the answer. Correct. Yes, it is not the answer. We are asked to find the number, but here also we need to understand. So, see, what was x? Let the digit in the ones place. Therefore, digit in the ones place is equal to x is equal to 5, and tens place is equal to 8 minus x is equal to 3. Now, sir, answer. Again, you are in false position. No, it is not the answer. Sir, what you are telling is here also we got this and here also we got this. Here it was the answer. Why can't it be the answer? No. What is asked? Find the number. Means that 2-digit number you have to find out, where 3 will be the tens place and 5 will be the ones place. Hence, the required number is equal to, digit in the ones place is 5, digit in the tens place is 3. 35 is the answer. See, our assumption was correct. 35. Though it was a pure assumption, please don't thing that I assumed, you will also assume. No, you do the sum. Only process is to bring the sum, get the answer. Okay? By fluke, my assumption has tallied. Okay? Don't assume or don't guess. Mathematics is not on the basis of guessing. It is to be practiced. Okay, students? Now, pause it, copy it down. Let me move on to the next example. Now, students, this is the last example in our this session. How much pure alcohol must be added to 400 milliliter of a 15% solution? Suppose it is a sanitizer. Nowadays, this is a very the hot topic of hand sanitization due to this COVID-19. We are using that solution, that is the hand wash. Okay, so that contains alcohol. So that type of solution is talked about here. How much pure alcohol must be added to 400 milliliter of a 15% solution to make its strength from 15 to 32%? Okay. Now here, solution has 15%. Okay, out of 400 milliliter, 15% is alcohol here. So 15% of 400 milliliter is equal to how much? 15 by 100 into 400 milliliter is equal to 60 milliliter. So in 400 milliliter of solution, how much alcohol is there? 60 milliliter alcohol is there. So now, how much is to be added? Let the quantity to be added be X. That means that quantity would be added to this alcohol and the total also increases. Hence, therefore, ATP. This X will be added to 600 milliliter plus X. And it will also result to increase in the total also. And if we multiply it by 100, it becomes the total strength as 32%. Yes or no? Yes, because they have told 32%. So 32% is of that alcohol by total into 100, 32%. So O 60 ml plus X into 100, this 100 will be multiplied, or let this denominator go that side, is equal to 32 400 ml plus X, or 6000 ml plus 100x is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 1200 ml plus 32x. Let this x come this side and this 6000 ml go that side, or 100x minus 32x, it was plus, it comes this side minus 12800 ml minus 6000 ml, or 2 plus 8 10 carry 1, 4 plus 6 10 is equal to 6800 ml plus it minus 12,000 minus 6,000 is 6,000. 12,000 is more, its sign is plus, so plus, and 800 is already there. 12,800 minus 6,000, 6,800, or x is equal to 6800 ml by 68. It was numerator here, it goes that side because denominator 100 is equal to 100 ml. No, this is the answer, my dear students. That one was only is asked. How much pure alcohol to be added? How much to be added? X to be added. And what is X? 100 milliliter. That means if we add 100 milliliter of alcohol to this 40 ml of solution, the solution becomes, the ratio between the solution and the alcohol means total weight, total capacity and the capacity of alcohol becomes 32%. We add 100 milliliter. Okay, students? I hope
You have understood all the sounds? Clear? So if you have understood means definitely you have liked it, isn't it? Yeah. If you have liked it, so you can understand what sir is going to try to say. Please. Understood? Okay. Means thumbs up, taste the thunder. Okay? And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let them also learn about it. And press the bell icon so that next time, whenever I will upload the next video, you will get quicker than others. And should I tell? Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye. Good night.